So nice to have you guys here. While we are waiting for others to join. Okay, guys. The plan for the meeting is very simple. We have about 11 people online now. Introduction to Forex. Now, what is Forex? Forex basically is trading. It means foreign exchange. Okay, I believe we can all see the screen. It means foreign exchange, and it's like exchanging one currency for another currency. So when you see people trading Forex, they're actually trading what a particular currency is doing in exchange for what another particular currency is doing. And for the purpose of thing, I will be using Naira to make a difference. Don't mind my English. Oluwafemi Williams. I'm a Yoruba guy, and I might be using some Yoruba English in between. So you guys should pardon that, okay? Now, Forex, it means foreign exchange. It is trying to trade what a particular currency is doing against what another particular currency is doing. Like, for example, you say you are trading Nigerian Naira and US dollars. Currently, Naira to US dollar is about 360 Naira or 387 Naira, sorry. Now, you want to trade the Naira to know what the Naira will be doing in the next few weeks, in the next few days, in the next few hours against the USD. Will the Naira move from 387 to 390? Or will the Naira move from 387 to 380? You know, those are the moves we trade in the market. Is a particular currency fall against another currency? Basically, that is what we do in Forex market. We are trying to understand what a particular currency is doing against another currency. Simple as A, B, C. Trust me. Although there may be technicalities in Forex, where you now talk about fundamental analysis and technical analysis, that is not difficult at all, as long as you are ready to put in the work and get things done. So we'll move on quickly. I think we have 13 people on the group now. Yes, 13 people. So we'll move on quickly. If you can't hear me, you can quickly raise up your hand or unmute yourself. Raise up your hand, unmute yourself, and do something, you know, so I can know that you can't hear me. Okay? So I can know that you can't hear me. Okay, so we move. Forex is not something that you should see as a very big deal. I was telling somebody recently that if you think something is difficult, then that thing is actually difficult. Let us see what we have here. He said you sell one currency and buy another currency simultaneously. And once you do so, you have essentially involved yourself in the Forex. Some of us have traveled before. Some of you have traveled out before. You must have understood that when you get to the airport, you go to the bureau de change to change your Naira to the particular currency of the country you are going to. If you are going to Canada, you will change your Naira to Canadian dollar. And if you are going to US, change to US dollar. Australia, change it to Australian dollar. If you are going to China, you change it to yen. You know, this thing you have just done is Forex trading. Although the Naira is very low to the other currency, but you have just traded Forex. You have sold the currency to buy another currency. That is what it is. It's not a big deal. Look at the example we have here. You When you go to USA, you have to exchange, that is sell the ZAR and buy the USD in order for you to make transactions in the USA. Exactly what I just said. Okay, so we'll just proceed quickly. I don't want us to exhaust all the time. Now, what time is the market open? You can trade Forex 24 hours of the day for 5 days of the week. Okay, from Monday to Fridays, we trade the market. And then by Saturday and Sunday, we go and spend the money that we've made, or we go and invest the money that we've made. But virtually no one trades on Saturdays, and only if you are trading binary. I know some of us trade binary here. For those of us that trade binary, we know we can trade any time of the day. Bumi Mary, you can turn off your video. Bumi Mary, you can turn off your video so it can save your data. Thank you. Okay, I'm trying to admit more people. We are getting many in this group now. So the Forex market opens 5 times in a week, and you can trade it different hours. Now, I'll tell you why why we have different hours. If you are in Nigeria, for example, and some USA, we have different time zone difference. You cannot be comparing yourself in Nigeria to somebody that's in USA. No. That is why when we are around 2 o'clock here, the London session will just be opening. In London, it's just opening. In the UK, somebody in USA, in New York, will be opening when we are 3 o'clock here. Somebody is just opening in New York. You get the point. When we are 9 o'clock here, okay, when we are like 9, 10 o'clock in Nigeria, the London session opens. The London session opens. This is 9 o'clock GMT, and we are in GMT +1. So when it is 10 in Nigeria, the London session opens. We now start trading different pairs that are related to the UK, like GBP. GBP is Great British Pounds. We start trading the pounds because then we have more volume in the market. There are some books I'm going to be sharing with all of us. Those books will show us a lot of things. These are the times that the market open. You have to put these things in consideration because you cannot say you want to go and be trading a country's currency. They've not opened their market. The market will be very slow for you. Instead of the market to move fast, the market will be very slow. I know some of you will not understand what I'm saying right now, but the market will be very slow in the sense that you actually would be taking 3 hours to make $10, whereas somebody that is trading the particular currency or a particular time would have made $200 already. It's faster when a particular time opens. For example, London time opens by 10 o'clock. Okay, London time opens by 10 o'clock. New York by 3 o'clock. For our Nigerian time, that's what I'm talking about, by 3 o'clock. Sydney time opens by 2 a.m. Tokyo and Asian Sydney time opens by 12 midnight. Tokyo and Asian time 2 a.m. We know all these times. We'll get into that as time goes on. So basically, those are the times. You don't need to cram those things. You will get to understand them as we move on. I'm just trying to introduce Forex to us. Don't get your mind worked up. Don't get your heart worked up. Don't get your bodies busy. This is just an introduction to Forex. From tomorrow, we start moving into the deep parts of Forex. But that does not stop you from jotting things down so you can take things away. Okay? Now, in a day in the Forex market, we have about $5 trillion that moves in that market every day. We have like $5 trillion that move in that market, from the banks to the big financial institutions, the insurance companies and other big institutions like that. We have about $5 trillion that move daily. So your $10,000 does not move the market. Trust me, your $10,000 does not move the market. Your $100 will not move the market. So what we are saying in essence is everybody can make money from Forex. Personally, I can make $1 billion from Forex. Somebody else can make $1 billion from Forex. Currently, we are about 16 in this group. The 16 of us can make $1 billion from Forex. and nobody will go hungry. Okay, nobody will feel it. Why? Because there's a lot of money going in circulation, and most of this money is coming from the banks. Let me bust your bubbles, guys. The banks where you put your money, take your money to the banks where you put your money, take your money to yes, they take your money to trade forex. Some banks will tell you forex is bad, it's a scam. I think our CBN was about saying it one time that I'm trying to make everybody feel it's a scam. Your parents put money in forex and they were scammed. Forex is not a scam. The banks have made us make it seem like it's a scam so that people will not want to trade it because it is a market that can accommodate everybody. Okay, a very big market that can accommodate everybody, and I think everybody should get into forex. That is just it for me. Everybody should get into forex. If you're not getting into forex right now, you are very wrong. I started forex like 2 years ago. I took it serious last year, and the difference is very clear. Now, I'm not going to talk about this. I'm just going to why you should trade forex. I will jump into why you should trade forex. Why I would want everybody to trade forex is very simple, guys. Hold on, guys. Why I want everybody to trade forex is very simple. It's very. How much do you earn? 500,000 naira a month, 600,000 naira a month, 200,000 naira a month, 100,000 naira a month, and some of us don't even earn 10,000 a month. We wait for brother give me to make money. How long do you want to do that? Some of us company that pays us 150,000 naira. That is just about $400 in a whole month. Yes, that's about $400 in a whole month. With $20 per day for 22 days of the trading month, you can make $400 and you won't move an inch. You won't blink making $20 a day. That's trade forex. You should trade forex because you want to be financially free. You should trade forex because you want to change things for yourself. When I was doing these things, I thought to myself, after spending 4 years in university and 1 year NYC, am I using my certificate? Am I using it to do what I actually went to study for 4 years? Definitely not. Definitely not. There are even medical doctors that are looking for jobs right now. You are not using that certificate for much. Okay? I thought to myself, if I take 3 months to learn how Forex market works, 3 months to perfect the skill of Forex trading, because it's a skill, you have to learn it. It's not rocket science, it's not magic. If you want signal, you still have to learn how to trade because nobody is 100% perfect when it comes to signal. Nobody. If anybody comes to you and tell you, I will give you Forex signal that will make you 100, that will give you profit every time, the person just lies to you. Run away. That person wants to collect your money and run away. Highest anybody can promise you is 80%. And that is just the fact. The highest anybody can promise you is 80%. So, guys, you should trade Forex because you want to change your story. You want to change who you are. Even if you are living in a room, self-contained, you are living in a room self-contained, you actually want to be able to make a difference from that your room. Making 100,000 naira from Forex in a month is very, very easy. I was telling my friend, I think he's in this group right now. It is one of the most easiest things to make. 100,000 naira a month. That is just $300 in a whole month. That's $15 per day. Why are people hiding this information? Welcome to Forex, guys. Today is for introduction. Welcome to Forex. Welcome. So let's quickly jump into what we trade in Forex. Let me unmute everybody. I want to know that everybody can hear me. I want to know that everybody can hear me. Make sure that everybody can hear me. Okay, everybody unmute yourselves. Everybody unmute yourselves. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I can hear you too.
Okay. I can have it.
I can hear you.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I think
Can hear you.
I've had 4
I
people.
can hear you.
Like
I
5
can hear you.
me, 6 people now, so we are good. We are good. We have 6 people that can hear me very well, so we are good. We are good. We are good. Okay, so we've done the introduction now. So what do we trade in Forex? What do you trade? Because somebody was telling me, okay, so what do you buy? Who do you buy from? When you sell, who do you sell to? Somebody was asking that question. You don't buy anything from anybody. You don't sell anything to anybody. I'm going to miss everybody now. You don't buy anything from anybody and you don't sell anything to anybody. Forex is just like a platform. It's like an atmosphere where money is flying and then it's liquid, and then you can transfer it into your account and withdraw it as raw cash. Just so sweet. People that have known me before will know me as a telecom engineer. Some people have known me as a binary trader. But the knowledge of Forex was just to knowing that you can change liquid money into real money. What do we do? Let me open a chart. Let me quickly open a chart for you guys. I know the market is not moving, and I believe you guys can. We'll go into this maybe on the 3rd day of the training. This is my 5 minutes chart. And there is a resistance here. And all I want to predict is that the market is going to fall from this point I just want to believe that the market will fall from this point right here down to this point here, and I will calculate it, and I'm just going to place in my trade. I place in my trade and then I make money. The money reads as liquid. The money reads like it's in the atmosphere, and then I can withdraw it as cash, as raw cash for myself. Simple prediction, and it's not like you are gambling. Another interesting thing, welcome to Forex, guys. It's not like you are gambling money. There are tools that you can use to predict this market that will make you know that you are gambling. I have a friend who's in this group, AY. AY started learning a few weeks ago, and he's predicting the market correctly. He sent a chart to me this morning. Perfect prediction. M pattern, W patterns. When you see these things, you just know that the market is going to do this, because the market respects those patterns. It's like cramming formulas in physics, guys. You know that when you have this formula, once you put the formula into a particular problem, you will get a particular solution. That is what Forex is. When you have known the formulas, when you see your chart, okay, you know that there is a problem. You apply the formula that you've learned, and then you just put it on it. That is it. You will get your results. It's going to give it to you the way the market has said it. So it's not like you are gambling. It's not like you are saying the market should go up or the market should go down. The market should not go up and the market went down. No. You are seeing it. You are applying the formulas that you need to apply, and then it is working for you just that way. That is. Welcome to Forex once again. So what do we trade in Forex? We trade currency pairs. Guys, we trade currency pairs. Currencies are always quoted in pairs, such as USD, where you buy one currency and sell another simultaneously. Okay? This is where I'm reading right now. Let us assume USD is for United States and ZAR is for wherever. I don't know. You open a chart where you see USD ZAR. That is what we trade, currency pairs. These are the currency pairs right here on my chart here. We trade different currencies for different countries against each other. Like I used USD and Nigerian Naira as an example when I started. You are trading what one will do against the other. Will this one rise against the other one? Will this one fall against the other one? That is exactly what we are doing in Forex. Okay? Will dollar fall against the Naira today? Will Naira fall against the dollar tomorrow? You are watching economic movements. You are watching your chart, which is the technical. Okay? Now let us look at some pairs that we trade in the market. What do we trade in Forex? We trade currency pairs. Euro USD, GBP USD. GBP is Great British Pounds, okay? USD, GBP JPY. JPY is Japanese yen. Japanese yen, what is spent in Japan, and I think the whole of USD JPY. AUD USD. AUD is Australian dollar against the US dollar. USD CAD, that's the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Euro JPY, the euro against the Japanese yen, and so on and so forth. USD CHF, the US dollar against the Swiss franc. Those are what we trade in Forex markets. So you are not buying anything from anybody and giving it to anybody. You are actually trying to weigh the options of both currencies falling or rising against each other, basically. If we are looking at USD CHF, for example, I'm trying to load USD CHF. Okay, this is what USD CHF is doing in the market. Currently, it is falling. If you look at the last 4 candles, don't stress your brain. We'll get to candles very soon. If you look at the last 4 candles, we call these things candles. It was red. They are red. It means they are falling. It means the USD is falling against the CHF. The USD is doing what? Is falling against the CHF. Now, at this point, you want to predict whether the USD will keep falling, keep rising. In further days to come, we would understand that. I'm going to talk about that maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, or the 4th day. But I will make sure I trash all these topics one by one. And I want you guys to follow one by one. You want to predict whether the market is going to fall more or is going to go up. And when your predictions are right, you've made money. It's simple. You've made money. Sweet cash. Today, there were lots of movement in the market, just like yesterday. I was sharing my profit with some guys, and they were like, wow, it is simple. We just saw the market and we jumped at it, and we made good money. Some of my guys made over $2,000 yesterday. God bless them. So this is what we trade in the Forex market, currency pairs. Now, apart from currency pairs, baseline for what we trade in the Forex market, we also trade cryptocurrencies. Yes, we also trade cryptocurrencies, BTC USD. I know you know some guys that are crypto traders. They call themselves crypto traders. You trade BTC USD, that's the Bitcoin to the US dollar. You want to know if the Bitcoin is going to rise against the US dollar or it is going to fall against the US dollar. Okay, BTC USD. You are trading Ethereum and USD. You are trading Bitcoin and some other currencies. You know, that is exactly what we trade. And also we trade stocks. Apple just released their iPhone 12. Let me open Apple. Apple just 12. We are expecting the Apple stocks to jump up. That's what we are expecting. We are expecting the Apple stocks to jump up. And if you look at it in the last few hours, Apple stocks have been moving upwards. If you look at it in the last few days, Apple stocks have been moving upwards because we have seen the news. Apple released iPhone 12. We should know that everybody will jump at buying. It will increase their stock. More people want to invest in iPhones. More big investors, big financial institutions want to pump money into iPhones. Basically, that is just it. That is what we are trading. That is what we are trading. That is what we are trading. Okay, guys. That's what we are trading. But I don't really advise guys to go and really trade stocks for now. As a beginner, don't trade stocks. Don't trade indices like NASDAQ, US 30. Although NASDAQ gave me my money yesterday, I know. But don't trade NASDAQ because NASDAQ is very volatile. You can predict NASDAQ to go down and NASDAQ will fly up and it moves very fast. You have like $1,000 in your account, NASDAQ can blow it in 5 minutes. Whereas Euro USD will still be moving very slow. So until you master how to move these things, don't even touch indices, don't touch stocks, don't touch cryptocurrencies. Just focus on currency pairs, countries that you can relate with. If you cannot relate with those countries, don't bother. Like I relate with Japanese yen very well because you know that industrialization in Japan, industrialization in Asia is very high. So their currency is always strong. Japanese yen is always strong because their currency is very high. Very, very high. Okay, guys. So focus on the pairs that you can relate with their countries. Euro, USD. You can relate with Euro. You can relate with USD. GBP, USD. You can relate with GBP, USD. You understand? Australian dollar and USD. You can relate with Australian dollars, right? You can you can relate with USD. New Zealand USD. That's NZD USD. Trade those ones that you can relate with easily. Okay, guys, the ones that you can relate with easily. While you move on in Forex, you realize that you can, okay, this is my analysis. This is my analysis on Euro GBP. This is my analysis, and it was perfect. It was perfect. We banged in some money here. Trade what you can relate with. Basically, don't go over yourself. Somebody sang, don't pass yourself. If it is only 2 pairs, you can very well. You know how the economy is running. Focus on those pairs. While you are learning technical analysis and you know how the economy of that country is running, those countries are running, it will be easier for you to know how to follow the market. You are not gambling. When you hear something happen, you know that that is what is going to happen in the market immediately. Immediately, you know that that's what is going to happen in the market. It's not gainsaying. It's not witch. It's not juju. You just know. Trump said he had coronavirus, and immediately US dollar fell because people didn't trust the US dollar anymore. How will Trump have coronavirus? The whole president who will make decisions for USA, and the dollar fell. We as traders, as soon as Trump dropped that tweet on Twitter, made that tweet on Twitter, we immediately went to trade US dollar to fall. And if I could remember that day, I can't remember the date, but if I throw it back, I will show you guys quickly. I'll show you guys in 2 seconds now. Let me open a USD pair. Hold on. Let me open a USD pair. USD Canadian dollar. It was a very big drop. Let me go to the daily. Now, this is what happened. As soon as Trump talked about, that was when we had a lot of fall around here. There was a very major fall here when Trump said he had coronavirus. We saw the fall. It was a very big fall. It should be around here. We saw a very big fall. And then Trump started saying he's regaining strength and all that. And then we saw the dollar coming up again. All those news, stick to the pairs that you can. If you can write this down, please, I beg in the name of God, write this down. Your first day of your introduction to Forex, you heard this. Stick to the pairs that you understand their economy and you can relate with them very well. It will help you in trading Forex. It will definitely help you in trading Forex. Okay, so let's move on quickly. Let's not waste time. We don't have the whole day. Now, there are some terminologies that we use in Forex. And if possible, I would like you guys to write this one down. I'll also share it on the group. I will type it out on the group. Terminologies that we use in Forex. if we are going to, like right now, you see I drew a line coming down. There's a line coming down. We call it a downtrend. Now, if there is a line, we'll call it an uptrend. Okay. When you see a downtrend, you are looking for a sell. Now, if you want to write it down, you write a downtrend is equal to it's the same thing as sell. It's the same thing as bears, like bear, animal, bear. Okay, when you look at some Forex images on Facebook, Instagram, you see bull, the bull animal, you see the bear animal. The bear is for a falling market. The bear is for a downtrend. So a bear also means to sell. So if the market is going down, I will say I want to sell this market. If the market is going up, I will say I want to buy the market. Okay, so we have the buys and the sells. Now let me show you quickly in this book. Good. Long, bullish, it means to buy. Let me show you. Let me quickly highlight it. Long and bullish, it means to buy. Short and bearish. In traders talk, going short and bearish means to sell. It's not like you are buying anything from anybody, it's not like you are selling anything to anybody. It's just a terminology. When I say I'm selling a particular market, it means that market is going down. It's not because you are selling anything to anybody. Okay? I believe you should understand this. Not because you are selling anything to anybody, it's because that market is going down. And when I say I want to buy, it's not because I am buying anything from anybody, it's because the market is doing what? It's because the market is going up. It's that simple. It's not buying anything from anybody or selling anything to anybody. So you can write this down. An uptrend also means going long or bullish, that's a bull, or buy. So those are four names that mean the same thing: uptrend, long, bull, and buy. They are related, they are in the same family, they are in the same WhatsApp group. While downtrend, that means short, bearish, and also sell. They are in the same WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Those are the basic terminologies that we use. Now we also use pips. What are pips? If a market moves up, the movement is what we call pips. You hear people say, forex traders say things like, I caught 50 pips in the market yesterday. I caught 20 pips in the market yesterday. Because the market moved in either their buy position or their sell position 50 times. That's the pips, 50 pips. Okay? That's exactly what it means. That's exactly what it means. It's moving in their direction 50 times. It has bounced up 50 times. It has gone in a buy 50 times, or it has bounced, it has gone in a sell 50 times. That is exactly what it means. Pips is the movement in markets. Now let us read what they wrote here. A pip is the smallest price movement in a currency. Okay. Now, although the market can move up 50 times and come down 20 times and move up 15 and come back 2 and move up 3 and come back 7. That is how the market does. It doesn't just shoot up. Only once in a while we see some spikes. All those spikes are affected by economic activities or possibly the banks. The banks want to make money from a particular market. They put money into it and they push that market. They push the price. Okay, they push the price. I love it when I see banks trying to push a price. We wait for it. We watch them. When they want to push that price, we follow them, and we make money big from those markets. Okay, I hope you Forex too. So a pip is the smallest price movement available in the market. For example, I am here. Let me move my chart to the 1 minute chart. Okay. Now you can see the candle you have here. You can see it moving. You can see it moving. Those movements are called pips. Now it has spiked down a bit. Movements are what we call pips. It must have moved 1 pips, just like that. So depending on how you adjust your trade with your lot size, which is the next terminology we use in Forex, that is what will determine your profit. So if somebody is using a small lot size, person has small profit. And if someone is using a big lot size, a bigger profit. So let us quickly look at lot size before we call this class, before we look at the last two things and we call it a day. Are very important to look at. Lot size is the last part we must look at today. Lot sizes are like the stake we are putting in the market. Let us see $100 in our trading account. I have Femi has $100 in his trading account. Williams needs to make that trade. Femi needs to make that trade. I don't stake $20 into the market. Although you can look at it as $20, you are staking in $20. No. I will stake in a lot size. It's my lot size that will determine how much the market will give to me or how much the market will take from me. Okay? I'm going to drop some voice on the group so we can listen to it. Apart from this video that I will upload on the new YouTube channel that I'll be creating after now, I'll drop some voice notes on the group. Lot sizes determines what give to you or what the market will take from you. If you are using one lot size, for example, I will show you on the MT4 later. If you are using one lot size, for example, that means any pip the market moves, if the market moves one pip ahead in your favor, you have made $10. Just like that. That is somebody else's target for a whole day. If somebody is targeting $10 for a month, he's targeting $10 per day. And just one pip can give that person that $10 without any hassle. For real, when I started trading, my only $10 per day. When I started trading, I was targeting only $10 per day. Now I do about $50 per day, 150 something, 500. I will show you one of my success stories on the 5th day, not today. You account. So back to what I was saying. $100 account. $100 account. You don't use one lot size. You can use 0.0. So that when the market moves in your favor, the market moves $1. And if the market goes against you, it goes $1 as well. So if it goes against you too much. Because if you use one standard lot size, which is $10, if the market goes against you, it is going to be bloody. If the market goes against you 7 pips, that means you've lost $70 out of your $100. Risk management, proper risk management is a full topic on its own in Forex. A full topic, like we take the whole day to teach risk management. And if you don't learn it, part of discipline, if you don't learn it, you will lose your money. I wrote it on the group that Forex is highly volatile and you can lose your money if you don't learn it well. And that is just $100 I put in Forex, I lost it woefully. I lost that money. Some of my friends on this channel now will be laughing at me. Yet I lost it. Money from some. So don't use big lot sizes for a small account. However, if you feel you can take the risk, then fine. We will beat you for it. Nobody will spank you. When you lose your money, you will enjoy. And when you win money, you will enjoy. It's all in your hands. Lot sizes determine how much the market will give to you or how much the market will take from you. You can write that down, you can cram it, you can put it anywhere. Lot size is the value used to determine profit or loss. It's what determines what the market will either give to you or take from you. So you cannot, if you feel you can risk it, you can use a big lot size. Some people use 10 lot size, not even one, they use 10. That means the market should take, imagine using 10. That means the market can take $100 from you per pip. Some people take that risk. And I've seen a South African guy calls himself the Forex broker killer, the broker Forex killer also. He used 100 lot size to push a market. Crazy guy, 100 lot size, very crazy guy. And the market went in his favor and he made $500,000 less than 10 minutes. For real, $500,000 less than 10 minutes. He took, he had about $10,000 in his account. He took the risk and he got it. Okay, so that is that about lot size and the terminology. I'm going to post all these things on the group so we guys can go over it all over again. Today's introduction, I don't want us to waste time. I don't want us to talk too much. I don't want us to dig too deep and confuse some people. I would like us to go and I'll write all these things as outlines again on the group. Now that we've seen here, to read it very well. Go through them and understand it. Do your own research when you can. Do your own research about this. DM me. I am open to anybody. Send me questions about what I have said tonight, and I'm going to reply you. This is the introduction to Forex, guys. Welcome to money. Welcome to you printing your own money in your room if you know what you are doing. If you feel you are earning 300K a month and you want to make it with Forex, it is very easy. Trust me. It is what you are doing. I must assure you, use your money. So what are the platforms that we use to trade Forex? What are the platforms? You must download an MT4 application. It is very important. For application, it's very important. You must download it. You must download the MT4 application. That is where I take my trades. Most times I analyze with my laptop, but I use my phone to take my trades. And I use an Android phone anyway. So most essentially, use an Android phone. I think Android phones have good user interface for MT4 than the iPhone. But I don't really like the iPhone. So guys, get MT4 app, and then you need to have a broker. Now we quickly is in a very quick term. Broker is the middleman between you and the Forex market. Okay? It's a middleman. Broker, you have not started. You need to have a broker. The broker is the one that will give you the chance to be able to chart as a Forex trader, to be able to trade as a Forex trader. The broker I use is Hot Forex. We have FXTM, we have Antec. I think Don Jazzy is the new ambassador for Antec market. You can use Forex, Antec, FXTM. Those guys are very good. They have good leverage that you can use to trade, and their spread is very nice. I'll teach you spread and leverage tomorrow. So you need to have MT4 app. You need to have Hot Forex. Hot Forex, register on Hot Forex or Antec. Just make sure you have a broker. But I will advise you use my broker, Hot Forex. Not because I have to you, but because it will help you. Get Hot Forex. Go and register on Hot Forex. They will ask you for some documents. They will ask for some documents. Just go and register there. Just go and register there. Ask for some document. Just register there. And we particular website, forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com. That's where we take our forexfactory.com. That's where we get our news from. Let me show you Forex Factory, guys. This is forexfactory.com. How the website looks like. Okay. Today's date is 15, I guess. Yes, today's date is 15. Okay, this is what happened today in the market. On AUD, Australian dollar, employment change. And there was another news for unemployment rates. That unemployment rate news, we normally look out for. If they say the unemployment in a particular country has increased, that means more people have lost their job. Investors will leave that economy. That currency will fall. All we go and look for in that currency is how to start selling, because that currency will fall. Okay, we'll start seeing a lot of red candles. Especially when it is AUD USD. The base pair is AUD. That's the first pair, AUD USD, AUD this, AUD that. It is going to fall, because this kind of news is high impact. You can see the red something there. You can see that the whatever they put there is red. The next one, this is not high impact. The red is high impact news. Whatever they say in that news will affect the market. That is why we get it from forexfactory.com. We have other websites for FX Streets. I watch FX Streets and some other, and I watch channel. I watch CNN, watch all those their news sometimes now because I need to go on with the market. Forex Factory is another platform that you need to follow up with as a trader. The truth, follow up with this platform as a trader because you need to know what is going on in the market economically, apart from your whole analysis. All this, my analysis on this chart here, all the analysis I put on my chart here will mean nothing when there is a news that is affecting the market. If USD is strong and is going and it's going and it's going and it's going up, and Trump says, I feel like I want to die, trust me, this market will drop from where it is right now to hellfire. It will drop to hellfire straight. Trump should just go to Twitter now, right? I am sick. I feel like I might die in the next 10 minutes. This market will go and fall. I am telling you, as soon as I see that tweet, I will go and put all my life on USD to fall. Because I am watching what the news is saying. And Forex Factory is one of the news that I might likely update it later. Okay? So those are the three platforms you must follow. You must have a broker, download the MT4 app. Please try to download that now. And you must watch Forex Factory. Watch the news on Forex Factory. I mean, follow up with the news on Forex Factory. Today, we might end the class there today, guys. And tomorrow, we'll be talking about candlesticks. We'll be going more into the charts tomorrow. We'll talk about candlesticks. Today is just introduction. I want you guys to get accustomed to what Forex truly is. Tomorrow, we'll now go into candlesticks, what candlesticks are in the market. How do we read these candlesticks? How are we sure that these candlesticks are what they do? Each of these things you see here are called candlesticks. And if you look at these candlesticks, they have different formations. Now, these different formations, we study them. We know what these formations are doing at a particular time before we take it. When I see this green candle here right now, forming like a hammer, it's forming like a hammer, this very one here. I think I should zoom in. Let me zoom in. This particular candle here, the second to the last candle you are looking at here, forms like a hammer. It shows that something is about to happen here. Come to the class tomorrow. I'm going to explain what we know will happen to the market when we see this kind of formation. When we see this kind of formation, we know something wants to happen to the market. And then we try to follow up with that thing. So tomorrow, guys, we will be in the markets. We'll be showing you how things are done. I'll be making some trades and I'll be showing you some of my trades tomorrow. Make my setups with some candles, how the market has reacted to my setup, and how it has made me small money. I might not make more than $15 tomorrow. It's not because I am a millionaire. I'm not a millionaire. But it's not because I am blown. It's not because I drive an exotic car. It's not because I am very good. It's because I have put in the work to know what these things are doing. I will show you my candlesticks tomorrow, how it reacts to my patterns, how it reacts to my support and resistance lines. We'll talk about tomorrow with candlesticks. Please, let's be available. Tomorrow there will be morning session and evening session, 11 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. or 5 p.m., depending on how the Spirit leads. If you're a Christian here, pray, speak in tongues, let the Holy Spirit be your guide. And if you're a Muslim, pray 5 times a day. Kneel down and face the sun, face the east, and pray. Allah hear our prayers, and may God hear our prayers. Thank you guys for coming. We'll see in tomorrow's class. I will update the group with so many things, and you guys can exit the group now. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to record this, and I'm going to put it on the group, the link on the group, so you can watch it all over again and go and study. Okay? See you guys tomorrow. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.